Are you just learning how to play the guitar? It's important to know all of your key signatures and the chords that are in those key signatures so that you become a really good guitar player. My name is Shelley, and I am a singer, songwriter, recording artist, and performer, and I've been playing the guitar for 50 years. And now I want to help other guitarists, beginner guitarists like you, learn how to play the guitar so that you go from being a beginner to being a confident guitar player. In this video, I am going to teach you the chords in the key of B. I have, in my other videos, my lesson videos, I have taught many other key signatures, and today is the key of B. So before we get started in the key of B, one thing that is very important to me before any lesson is that you tune your guitar. It's important to have your guitar in tune so that you get your ear trained to what it's supposed to sound like. So if you don't know how to tune your guitar and you don't know how to use a tuner, I've done a video on that, and I'll put a link up above so that you can go to that video and tune your guitar. As I'm teaching, I also refer to finger numbers, string numbers, and fret numbers. And if you don't know that, I also have another video that I have done that I teach that as well. And a link is up above if you'd like to go to that first before continuing on in this video. So in the key of B, I use the musical alphabet and the Nashville Numbering System to teach the chords in each key signature. So the musical alphabet is, quite simply, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And the Nashville Numbering System refers to 1, 4, 5, and 6. That's the 4 basic chords that I'm going to be teaching in the key of B. So what is the 1, 4, 5, and 6? The 1 is your root. That is B. And then when we want to count up to the 4th, we're going to go B as 1, C, D, E is your 4th. We count one more to your 5th is F. But in the key of B, there is an F sharp. And so this chord, your 5th chord, is an F sharp. Your 6th chord, there's also a G sharp. So it's going to be G sharp minor. Sharps and flats, that's extra theory that I'm not going to be getting into. I'm trying to keep it as basic as I can so that as a beginner you can get going and playing the guitar. So now I'm going to be showing you how to play these chords. So our root is B. So we're going to take our first finger, we're going to put it on the 1st string in the 2nd fret. And then we got to reach over to the 4th fret. And we got to put our 2nd finger on the 4th string. Then right underneath it, we got to put our 3rd finger on the 3rd string. And underneath that, we have to put our 4th finger on the 2nd string. And then you strum from 5 down. That is your B chord. Now, B is your root. B, C, D, E is your 4th. That is E. So you're going to put your 1st finger on the 3rd string in the 1st fret. Your 2nd finger goes on the 5th string in the 2nd fret. And your 3rd finger goes on the 4th string in the 2nd fret. And you strum all the strings. So that is E. Now we're going to go to F sharp. Because after E is F, but in the key of B, it's an F sharp. So we're going to, this is F sharp. So we're going to bar with our 1st finger 2 strings, the 1st and 2nd string. We have to put our 1st finger across those 2 strings. And we have to squeeze really tight. And then bring your elbow in. When you're playing an F chord, you have to bring your elbow in, turn your wrist so that the inside of your hand is really hugging the neck of the guitar. So you're going to press down on those 2 strings with your 1st finger. Then with your 2nd finger, you're going to go to the 3rd string in the 3rd fret. And then your 4th string has to reach to your 4th finger has to reach to the 4th string in the 4th fret. Say that fast 10 times. And then you're going to strum from 5 string down, the 5th string down. Okay, so that is F sharp. Okay, so a little review. We got our root, our B chord, then our E chord, our F sharp chord, and then we're going to go to G sharp minor. This is a little tougher, and especially as a beginner guitarist, because now you have to bar even more strings. So you have to press down, press 4 strings, and press really hard and bring that elbow in. And then you're going to have to reach to the 6th fret with your 3rd finger on the 5th string, and then put your 4th finger on the 4th string right underneath it in that 6th fret. And you're going to strum from 5 down. You really have to press hard. It's going to sound like this, clunky for a while, but just keep pressing and keep persevering that you get the sound of that. The reason why we don't strum the 6th string in our B chord, I'll let you know what it sounds like here. It just doesn't sound right. It doesn't belong there. It's one of these things just doesn't belong here. So you're going to strum from 5 down. The E chord, we strum all the strings. F sharp, you're going to strum from 5 down. And G sharp minor, you're going to strum from 5 down as well. Because the 6th string just doesn't sound right. So now we're going to strum through every chord. You have to learn that strumming pattern and moving from chord to chord to chord, so that when you're playing songs, you play it easily, and that your chords are transitioning quite easily as well. So we're going to start with our B chord, then go to E, then we're going to go to F sharp, and then G sharp minor. Now, songs aren't always in this particular pattern. I'm showing you in this order because I'm teaching you the 1, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so there's a lot of songs that you might play like the B first and then go to the F sharp and back to E. There's all sorts of different correlations of chords. But for this lesson, I'm just going to go through the 4 basics, the 1, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to get your B chord. Now, if you're not ready just to do the strumming, go back and keep practicing getting your chords so that you feel comfortable before we get into this. Okay, so we're going to do 4 strums per bar. Okay, so that means 4 beats per bar of measure of music. So we're going to go with the B chord. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then to G sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that again, and I'll go a little slower. We're going to do B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go to G sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? The goal is to go from chord to chord quite quickly. So keep practicing that. Go back, rewind the video and go back and keep practicing those chords, because this is your goal, is you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to move quickly like that. I'm going to be teaching songs in future videos, and when you're playing a song, you can't be figuring out your chords. You have to know your chords. It's all muscle memory, so that you go from chord to chord to chord, okay? All right? I hope you enjoyed this video. I do have many other videos in my playlist how to play guitar for beginners. I'll put a link up above here, and you can go through all the videos that I have so far. And if you like this video, please give it a like. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate if you did that as well. And I will see you in the next video.